All right, let's cut up these anchovies. Do you guys like anchovies? How do you feel about anchovies? I love anchovies. Give me that Caesar salad. Put them on a pizza. I'm into it. His Mountain Dew 2 liters. Oh my God, Jody. So we can find them later. Two teaspoons chopped garlic. Oh, you still haven't tried Mountain Dew. Yeah, I mean, they're not good to eat just on their own. They're a little bit strong to just like put on toast or whatever, in my opinion. Some people do it, but I like them on stuff. You've had it in a sauce, but not as a topping. It's good on pizza, I think. They're like salty and strong, flavored. I think it goes well. Anchovies are salty, lady. Oh, Reno, that's terrible. Was it a bullying thing? Did someone bully you into doing that? It's awful. That's terrible, Reno. I'm so sorry. We don't have to talk about it. I'm sorry I asked more questions about it. It sounds very traumatizing. Oh, Reno, I'm so sorry. That's really awful. You know, nobody should have to eat ingredients that are not meant to be eaten alone. Yogurt. What the heck? Daycare people. Childcare in the 80s, lol. Yeah, lol is one word for it. Introduce you to raw honeycomb. Nice, Jody.